Guys, I wanted to show you these sticky water-soluble stabilizers that I received from the company. I personally love crafting. I love all things crafting, so I was so excited to get these and I can't wait to give them a try. So I wanted to give you a closer look. So just to like know how to use it, it almost looks like a piece of paper. One side is very soft and then the other side is like slicker. So you can put this through a printer and print out a design. You could draw in it, trace, however you want to get a design onto here. And then you peel it back and put it onto your project. And then you can like embroider it, or however, I'm going to hand embroider something utilizing it. So it's a stabilizer. And then, or you can use like a sewing machine. And then once you wash the material, this is going to wash away. So you won't see this paper anymore. You could cut it down. That's probably what I'll do. I'll probably cut it into like a smaller size, put a design on it, and then put it onto the paper and do some hand embroidering that I've been wanting to do. So you don't have to like draw directly onto the fabric. And also if you don't want to draw onto here, you can use a printer. So it's like another way to get your design on. So you could see, I mean, I think the printer piece is like great because how else would you get, you know, a design onto your fabric? You can't print directly onto the fabric. So really cool, nice materials. I love this brand. I've used different things from them before. So very happy to have this.